So Faith has a loose tooth. Say hi, Faith. Hi to the camera. And she's tied floss around it, and we're tying it to the door. And we're going to try and extract this tooth the old-fashioned way.
Good?
So back up.
Wait, I'm scared.
Wait, I got to get a good angle here. Wait.
Whoa, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
See, hold tight. Okay, so you back up more.
Back up some more. It's probably just going to break the string. Nothing's going to happen, Faith.
Well, floss is really
Go
strong.
back a little more. Wait to stop. It's too much.
Try that.
Okay, I want you to squeeze something with your hands.
Yeah, I think I should do that.
Give her one of my pill bottles, my vitamin bottles. Just
No,
squeeze.
that's hard.
Yeah, that's perfect. Just squeeze it.
It's hard though.
Squeeze that.
Why don't I just squeeze one like
Keep-
this?
No, don't pull. Keep it away from your hair. Just have it loose. Just leave it like this. Okay? You don't see it.
You have to stay right there, Faith. Don't move forward.
Go back a bit more. More?
Back?
More? More? Okay. Now you put this on the camera.
Oh! Oh! Is it out?
Yeah.
Yay! Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
What the hell? Oh my god, that's so hard.
Wrong one!
You were in shock, eh? Did you see your face? Show me. Wait, I gotta see the tooth. Wait. There's the tooth. Let me see.
Oh!
Let me see the hole. There's the hole. The bleeding hole.
Ah!
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Oh god, I hurt.